We'll stop presenting. Share your screen. Okay. So this green is N plus sorry, N diffusion. Two polys. Okay. Uh, two polys. One polys. Okay, so an input A is applied to input A is this one. Okay, and here there is output at two drain, and B input is applied to poly. So what is this? This is B bar. Okay, can you simulate the thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now explain, Drumil, explain the waveforms.
Okay, so first I've applied input 0 0. So this is the 0. I've kept the first input to all 0. Then I'm applying
Okay.
0 0, A 0 0, and 1 1. And for B
Okay.
0 1, and this is complement of P bars. So it's 1 0 1 0. And
Okay.
so now, so the input, if input is 0 0, then the output is 0. If the other input is 0 and 1, the output is 0. If
Hmm.
A is 1 and input B is 0, then the output is 0. And if both A and B are 1, then the output is high.
Hi, right. Okay. Okay, all of you can see what Drumil has simulated. Can you see all of you, other students?
Yes,
Other
ma'am.
students can. Okay. Now see, he has implemented in a right way. The layout is right, and he is getting the output as expected. So you can see here from the output, it is performing the AND operation, right? That means in AND, only output will be high when both the inputs are one. So you can see over here when the both inputs are, that is A and B, when both are one, then only output is high. So that is the green color. Now, so that means it is you are getting the output as expected. So it is performing the AND operation. Now I will ask one question to all of you. Can you same thing I will show? Okay, यही मैं अगर मुझे करना होगा तो मैं भी यही explain करूँगी. Same in similar way I will implement. I will draw the layout and I will apply the input and I will get the output. Now the question here is, can you see the output green color waveform, right? Green color waveform is the output. So this output, is it strong logic one?
No, ma'am, it's weak.
Weak. Okay. So all of you can see, I think all of you can see the output high means when the output is zero, it is attaining complete zero. Okay, no issues. But when you want output high, at that time it should go exactly to, suppose if it is 1.2 volt, I think supply is 1.2. Okay, so it should go to 1.2 volt, right? Okay, but you are not getting 1.2 when logic high is there. At that time you are getting something, I think it is above threshold, right? Means it is less than 1.2. All of you can see this thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here I think in previous lecture I have explained you the NMOS is a weak conductor of logic 1. NMOS is weak conductor of logic 1. इसका मतलब ये है, अगर logic 1 को मुझे transfer करना है, if I want to pass logic 1 from one point to the another, जब हम लोग वन पॉइंट टू द अनदर बोल रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम सोर्स टू ड्रेन. So if I want to transmit logic 1 from source to drain of the NMOS, then what will happen? NMOS is a bad conductor of logic 1, bad conductor. That's why it will not give you strong one. Instead, it will have some voltage drop and it will give you voltage less than whatever is the supply. Okay, so means 1.2 volt is the supply. You will not get 1.2. Actually, you should get 1.2. Then that is called as a strong one. But here you will not get. And the reason behind is the voltage drop across elements. That we'll see in the lecture. Okay. So, but this is the drawback of fast transistor logic. Okay, so pass transistor logic mein, if you are using NMOS, then NMOS is a bad conductor for logic 1. It will not give you strong one. That is the drawback. But the logic will be implemented. Means if you want function A dot B, that will be implemented. But the problem is there will be some voltage drop across the NMOS, and that voltage is called as actually threshold voltage drop, and that is the drawback. That's it. Okay, so that is a weak conductor of logic 1. Okay, so all of you have understood how to implement AND gate using pass transistor logic. Is there any doubt?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, और किसी ने किया है? Dhrumil, stop sharing. Is there anybody who has implemented the gate layout draw करके implement किया है and simulate किया है and getting the result? Is there anyone? At least किसी ने layout draw किया है?
Yes, ma'am. Try किया मैंने.
Okay. So can you compare your layout with Dhrumil's layout? What is the problem? कुछ issue आया है क्या?
Yes,
Means what was
ma'am.
okay.
गलत
So
हो
you
गया
have got
था.
okay, but you have understood your error, Omkar?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay, चलो. और किसी ने try किया था? Okay, ठीक है. कोई बोल नहीं रहे. So what you can do? Those who haven't got the output, please, all of you know how Dhrumil has done. Okay. Now you can try at your home, and उसके बाद अगर कुछ भी issue आया, you can drop a message in WhatsApp. ठीक है? अगर कुछ नहीं समझा तो. बट जो ध्रुमिल ने दिखाया सेम तरीके से मैं भी करने वाली थी. ओके, सो उसने एक्सप्लेन किया, सो उसने बताया, सो दैट इज नॉट अ डिफरेंट थिंग. तो तुम लोग अभी क्या करोगे, घर पे ट्राई करो. ऑल ऑफ यू शुड गेट द आउटपुट. इट इज वेरी इजी. सबसे इजी अगर प्रैक्टिकल है VLSI में, दैट इज द पास ट्रांजिस्टर. सबसे इजी पास ट्रांजिस्टर का है. ओके, अभी और एक इसमें तुम लोग कर सकते हो. नाउ व्हाट ध्रुमिल हैज डन, ध्रुमिल हैज इम्प्लीमेंटेड दैट कंप्लीट सर्किट. मींस जो मैंने तुम लोगों को बताया था, आई थिंक वन सेकंड. ओके, कैन यू सी द सर्किट? ओके, तो उसने क्या किया था, दिस ए बी एंड ए बी प्लस बी बार, ये कंप्लीट सर्किट उसने इंप्लीमेंट किया. अभी तुम लोग और क्या कर सकते हो, जस्ट इंप्लीमेंट ओनली ए बी. ओके, मतलब एक ही एनमॉस ड्रॉ करना है, ओनली एक एनमॉस का लेआउट. सोर्स पे एक सिग्नल दो ए, गेट पे एक सिग्नल दो बी, एंड चेक व्हाट इज द आउटपुट. पुट द विजिबल नोड एट ड्रेन. Okay, put the visible node at drain of this MOSFET. So you have to draw only one MOSFET and do the same thing. Check करो कि क्या मिल रहा है. Okay, and in the write up you will do both the circuits. जो अभी धूमिल ने बताया वो वाला, that is the complete circuit, which is AB plus BB bar, and the second one will be only one with one MOSFET, that is AB. All of you have understood what you have to do in next write up? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है. So this was for today. You have to perform the pass transistor logic, and I think the three practicals हो गए थे. Fourth was NAND gate. Okay, 4A was NAND and 4B was NOR gate. So I will put those write-ups in. I will upload those write-ups in classroom. You have to submit that. I will give 1 week time. You have to submit those, and with this next one, so I will upload 4A 4B, and this is fifth experiment, that is pass transistor logic. Okay, so you have to submit this within 1 week, that is till next Friday. Okay, so one sec, I will take the attendance.